Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most important topics in the United States health system, Obamacare. If you live in America, plan to move here, or if you're an immigrant, student, worker, or self-employed, this video is extremely important for you. So what exactly is Obamacare? It's the common name for a law called the Affordable Care Act, or ACA. This law was created to help more people get health insurance at a price they can actually afford. Before this law, millions of people in America couldn't get insurance or were paying incredibly high prices. Think about it. Before Obamacare, many insurance companies could just deny you coverage. They could look at your health history and say, nope, sorry. They could charge you way more if you had something like diabetes, heart disease, or cancer. They could even cancel your coverage right when you got sick and needed it most. Obamacare changed all of that. It created rules to protect people, new ways to buy insurance, and it helped lower-income families pay for their health coverage. Let's start from the beginning. Before the Affordable Care Act, health insurance in America was a real mess. If you didn't get insurance through your job, your options were very limited. Private insurance was super expensive. A lot of people just stayed uninsured and hoped they wouldn't get sick. Sadly, medical bills were the #1 reason for bankruptcy in the United States. People lost their savings, their homes, and their businesses just because of hospital bills. The government realized something had to change, and that's why the Affordable Care Act was signed into law. Obamacare was designed with a few main goals. The first was to make health insurance available to more people. The second was to make that insurance affordable. The third, and this is huge, was to protect people with pre-existing conditions. And the fourth was to improve the overall quality of healthcare. One of the biggest features of Obamacare is the health insurance marketplace. This is basically an online shopping center where you can look for health insurance plans. You can compare different plans side by side, see the prices, benefits, and coverage options. The marketplace is especially helpful for people who don't get insurance from an employer, like self-employed workers, freelancers, students, and small business owners. Another major part of Obamacare is financial help. A lot of people qualify for subsidies. A subsidy is just financial assistance from the government that helps lower your monthly insurance payment. Called a premium. How much help you get depends on your income. Usually, a lower income means more help. This is what makes insurance affordable for millions of Americans. Some people end up paying very little each month, and some even pay $0. Obamacare also expanded Medicaid in many states. Medicaid is a government health insurance program for low-income individuals and families. Before the ACA, many adults didn't qualify, but after the expansion, a lot more people became eligible. If your income is very low, you might qualify for Medicaid instead of a marketplace plan, and it usually has little to no monthly cost. Another critical rule under Obamacare is coverage for pre-existing conditions. Insurance companies can no longer deny you coverage or charge you higher prices because of your health history. They also have to cover what are called essential health benefits. This includes things like doctor visits, hospital care, emergency services, prescription drugs, mental health services, maternity care, and preventive care. Preventive care is so important. Things like your annual checkup, vaccines, and screenings are often covered at no extra cost. This helps you stay healthy and catch problems early. Plus, Obamacare allows young adults to stay on their parents' insurance plan until they turn 26. This is a huge help for students and young workers who might not have a stable job yet. So, who should really care about Obamacare? Well, if you're unemployed, self-employed, a small business owner, an immigrant with legal status, a student, you work part-time, or your employer doesn't offer insurance, then Obamacare might be your best option. Even if you have insurance through your job, it's good to understand how it works. Life happens, job changes, layoffs, career shifts. Knowing your options helps you stay protected. There's something called open enrollment, which is a specific time each year when you can sign up for a marketplace plan. If you miss this window, you might have to wait. However, certain life events, like losing a job, getting married, having a baby, or moving, can qualify you for a special enrollment period. Now, a lot of people think Obamacare is expensive, but for many, it actually saves money. With subsidies and other cost-sharing reductions, healthcare becomes much more affordable. And it's not government insurance. The plans on the marketplace are offered by private insurance companies. The government just sets the rules and provides financial help. Understanding Obamacare matters today more than ever. Medical emergencies can happen to anyone, anytime. Without insurance, one hospital visit can cost thousands of dollars. Insurance protects both your health and your finances, giving you peace of mind. If you're new to the United States, learning about Obamacare should be one of your first steps. Many immigrants and students don't realize they might be eligible for coverage. Understanding the system helps you avoid scams and bad advice. Here on the Coverage Council, we break down complex insurance topics just like this one into simple language to help you make smart decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more helpful content. Thank you for watching.